Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today we shall start a new topic of the chemistry 10th science. Uh, the name of the topic is metals and non-metals. Dear students, so today we will start this topic. First, before going through this topic, first of all we define what is metal. Dear students, metals are the elements which are malleable, ductile, and good conductor of heat and electricity. That means metals are those elements which are malleable. Malleable means that the metals can be beaten into thin sheets. And ductile means that the metals are drawn into thin wires, and good conductor of heat and electricity. That means the heat, and they easily conduct heat. That's why they are used for cooking food, and electricity, that is they are used for making wires. For examples, copper, iron, aluminium, silver, gold, zinc, platinum, etc. These are the metal elements. They show the property of malleability, they show the property of ductility. Uh, Before discussing the non-metals, first of all we discuss the important properties of metals. First of all, physical properties. The general physical properties of the metals are: number first, metals are malleable. Metals are malleable. That means they show the property of the malleability. It's the property of the metals through which the metals can be beaten into thin sheets. Metals show important property, that's the malleability. It's an important characteristic property of the metals. Generally all the metals show this property, but gold and silver are some of the best malleable metals. Number first. Second, metals are ductile. They show the property of ductility. That means ductility means metals can be drawn into thin wires. It's the important characteristic property of the metals. Gold is the most ductile metal. Even though if we take 1 gram of gold, 1 gram of gold can be drawn into thin wire of about 2 kilometers. That means how much ductility iron shows. Number third point is metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. That's why these metals are used for cooking food. These utensils are made from these metals. They show the property that they conduct heat